Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid eye cream. First, ensure your face is clean and dry before applying any product. A clean base allows for better absorption and effectiveness. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, paying special attention to the delicate skin around your eyes. If you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to perform a quick patch test first to avoid any irritation. This simple preparation step is crucial for optimal results. Now let's talk about application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of hyaluronic acid eye cream onto your ring finger. This amount is usually sufficient for both eyes. Your ring finger applies the least pressure, which is ideal for the delicate skin around your eyes. Gently tap the cream along your orbital bone, moving from the inner corner outwards. Avoid pulling or rubbing, and do not apply it too close to your lash line to prevent irritation. For best results, apply your hyaluronic acid eye cream twice a day. In the morning, make it one of your first steps after cleansing, before applying any makeup or sunscreen. At night, it should be the very last step in your skincare routine, after all other serums and moisturizers. Regular, consistent application is truly key to maximizing the hydrating and plumping benefits of hyaluronic acid, helping to keep the skin around your eyes looking refreshed and smooth. Hyaluronic acid eye cream offers fantastic benefits, primarily deep hydration that can visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and dryness. It helps to plump the skin, giving a smoother, more youthful look. For a refreshing boost, consider storing your eye cream in a cool, dark place. Always allow the cream a minute or two to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to other products like concealer or foundation. Enjoy your radiant, hydrated eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.